Hello, my project has been to build a digital billboard intended to be placed next to smart motorway routes. So you can see I've got a model roadway in front of me along with 3 of these digital billboards, each of which is associated with a traffic monitoring station. This is one of the billboards. You can see along the top it has information about current conditions, including the time, the temperature, which is retrieved from one of the traffic monitoring stations, the time until sunrise or sunset, and the weather. These 2 items are both retrieved from a weather API. Next, there's an icon which changes based on those conditions to help drivers visualize what's going on. And in this case, it's telling us to turn on our headlights because it's nighttime. However, it will show a different message depending on traffic conditions. So I'll show you what it would look like if it was icy. You can see that it's now flashing to try and get the driver's attention. It's warning us about ice. It would show a similar message if it was snowing or raining or there were high winds, and it would also tell us to turn on our fog lights if it was foggy. In the middle on the left is the speed limit. Below this is information about upcoming services, and on the bottom at the right is a cycling message, in this case warning us about drink and drug driving. Now all 3 of those items I just mentioned can all be changed via API routes, and that enables the authorities to update them or dynamically change the speed limit. And you can see for the other 2 displays I have indeed changed some of that information. Now the most interesting piece of information is this traffic map here. Notice the blue dot on the top left showing where this particular station is situated. I'm now going to show you how that traffic sensor works. So if I place one of my cars in front of this sensor, I'm going to pass 2 cars through this sensor fairly quickly. And I'm going to pass this car through this sensor pretty slowly. In a few moments, the traffic map will update. So you can see that it's registering that the top left route is blocked and it's gone red, indicating an average speed of 1 mile an hour. The bottom route is still green and it's showing an average speed of 123 miles an hour. And on the top right, it's showing an average speed of 18 miles an hour. Now, all of these speed estimates are based on the assumption that the car is 4.4 meters long, which is the UK average. You can see that the other 2 stations have also updated with this information, and that's because the stations all talk to each other and exchange information. It's also worth noting that the traffic data can be retrieved via an API, which enables the authorities to change speed limits on the fly and gather statistics.